All right, so we're going to do a deep dive today, headfirst, into the meme coin craze. And let me tell you, it's not just about Dogecoin and, funny internet pictures anymore.
No, not at all.
You guys have been sending in tons of articles about this like whole new ecosystem that's popping up. And frankly, I'm kind of fascinated by it all.
It's really interesting. We're seeing a shift, towards a more structured and kind of data-driven approach to meme coins. Platforms like the ones you've been asking about,
Right.
Four.Navis.ai.
Yeah.
They're really trying to bring some order to what has often been a very chaotic space.
Okay, yeah, so let's start with Four. Meme,
Yeah.
it's been called the no-code meme coin launchpad, which sounds incredibly ambitious. Like, what's the deal with that?
Well, you're right. It is ambitious. Four.Meme is built on the Binance Smart Chain.
Okay.
And it basically aims to make creating a meme coin as simple as, say, setting up a social media profile.
Whoa.
The idea is that anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, can launch a token using their platform.
So does this mean that we're about to see just like a flood of new meme coins just hitting the market? Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's certainly a possibility. One of the core principles behind Four.Meme is the idea of a fair launch. So they eliminate the need for pre-sales or private allocations, which traditionally have favored insiders and large investors.
Right.
With Four.Meme, everyone has an equal opportunity to get in on the ground floor.
I see.
Whether that ultimately leads to a more democratic and equitable market, well, that remains to be seen.
That fair launch concept is really intriguing, but I'm curious about the no-code aspect.
Yeah.
Like, how do they actually make it so simple to create a token? Is there some kind of template they provide?
Exactly. Four.Meme provides this user-friendly interface where you can essentially customize a pre-built smart contract.
Oh, right.
You can set the token name, the symbol, the supply, and even choose from various pre-audited features like token burning or reflection mechanisms.
Yeah. Okay, so they've simplified the technical side, but launching a successful meme coin, I mean, that still requires more than just like creating a token, right? You need a community, marketing, all that jazz.
You're absolutely right. A catchy name and a cute mascot might get you some initial attention.
Right.
But building a sustainable community takes effort.
Right.
And this is actually where Ave.ai comes into play. It's designed to be the analytical backbone of this meme coin ecosystem, providing insights that go far beyond just tracking price fluctuations.
You've piqued my curiosity with Ave.ai. I have to admit, whenever I hear AI in the crypto world, my skepticism radar starts buzzing a little. What exactly is it doing that's so special?
It's not just hype, I assure you. Ave.ai integrates directly into Four.Meme.
Okay.
And it provides real-time data on every coin launched on the platform.
Wow.
We're talking trading volume, market cap, liquidity, and even sentiment analysis from social media news sources.
Wow.
But where it gets really interesting is in its ability to track smart money movements.
Okay, hold on. Smart money. That sounds like something out of a Wall Street movie.
Yeah.
Break that down for me. What exactly does that mean in this context?
Imagine being able to see when experienced crypto whales, the ones with the deep pockets and a track record of successful trades, are entering or exiting a particular meme coin.
Right.
That's the kind of insight Ave.ai aims to provide.
Well,
It analyzes blockchain data to identify large transactions,
wow.
and then it uses machine learning algorithms to assess whether those transactions are likely from these so-called smart money players.
So it's not just about giving me like a bunch of numbers. It's about helping me understand the why behind those numbers.
Exactly.
That's actually pretty powerful if it works as advertised.
Exactly. Ave.ai is trying to do for meme coin trading what sophisticated analytics platforms have done for traditional markets, provide actionable insights based on real data.
So you launch your meme coin on Four.Meme, and boom, you've got Ave.ai feeding you this valuable data. And suddenly, meme coin trading starts to look a lot less like gambling and a lot more like, well, actual trading.
That's the whole idea. The partnership aims to add a level of legitimacy and transparency to the meme coin market. Whether or not they succeed is another question, but the potential is certainly there.
Yeah.
And it's this potential that has so many people, yourself included, kind of excited about what this could mean for the future of meme coins.
That's definitely true. And I have to say, my skepticism radar is starting to quiet down a bit. I'm starting to see how this could actually work. But before we get too carried away with all the potential benefits, let's take a step back. Are there any potential downsides to this partnership? Are there any risks or concerns that we should be aware of?
Well, one of the most obvious concerns is that the ease of creating new tokens could lead to a saturated market.
Right.
It's easy to imagine a scenario where, hundreds, even thousands of new meme coins are launched on Four.Meme, making it incredibly difficult for any single project to stand out.
It's like the Wild West of crypto, but with even more tumbleweeds and 10-gallon hats.
Exactly. Another concern is that the reliance on AI could create a false sense of security.
Right.
While Ave.ai can offer valuable insights, it's important to remember that it's still just a tool. Blindly following its recommendations without doing your own research is never a good idea.
So it's like having a fancy GPS system. It can help you navigate, but you still need to know how to read a map and make your own decisions.
Precisely. And then there's the question of regulation.
Right.
The meme coin market is still largely unregulated, and it's unclear how governments around the world will respond to this surge in new tokens.
So it's exciting, but also a bit of a regulatory minefield.
That's one way to put it. But despite these challenges, the partnership between Four.Meme and Ave.ai represents a fascinating development in the evolution of the crypto space. It's a step towards a more data-driven, transparent, and potentially even more accessible financial landscape.
It's definitely a deep dive we'll be keeping an eye on. But for now, let's take a closer look at some of the specific features of these platforms and how they actually work in practice. What are some of the things that make Four.Meme stand out from other launchpads?
Well, aside from the no-code token creation and the fair launch system,
Right.
Four.Meme offers a suite of tools designed to help meme coin projects succeed. They have a built-in marketing dashboard, a community voting system, and even a feature that helps projects get listed on decentralized exchanges.
Okay.
It's really a one-stop shop for everything a new meme coin project might need.
Okay, so they're not just providing the tools to create a token, they're providing the infrastructure to build a community and launch a project. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
But what about Ave.ai? What are some of the specific features that make it stand out from other crypto analytics platforms?
Ave.ai's ability to track smart money is definitely a key differentiator.
Right.
But it also goes beyond just tracking transactions. It uses natural language processing to analyze social media sentiment and news articles, giving users a more holistic view of the market.
So it's not just about looking at the numbers, it's about understanding the narrative surrounding those numbers.
Yeah.
That's a really interesting approach.
Exactly. And because it integrates directly with Four, meme users can access all of this data in real time, which is essential in the fast-paced world of meme coins.
This is all starting to make a lot of sense.
Yeah.
But I'm curious, are there any concrete examples of meme coins that have been launched on Four.Meme and are using Ave.ai successfully? I'd love to see this partnership in action.
Absolutely. There are already a number of projects leveraging the power of this partnership.
Okay.
One example is a meme coin called Don't Ask Why an Elephant, a name that certainly catches your attention.
Okay, that's a pretty amazing name. Tell me more.
Well, Don't Ask Why an Elephant was launched on Four.Meme just a few months ago, and has quickly gained popularity thanks in part to its strategic use of Ave.ai. The creators have been using the platform to track the coin's performance, identify key trends, and make data-driven marketing decisions.
So they're actually putting these tools to work and seeing results. That's encouraging.
It is. And it's not just about making money. It's about building a strong community and creating a project that people genuinely believe in. Don't Ask Why an Elephant is a great example of how this partnership can be used to achieve those goals.
This is really exciting stuff. It feels like we're on the cusp of a major shift in the way people approach meme coins, and maybe even crypto as a whole.
Yeah.
But before we get too carried away with the future of finance, let's take a closer look at the specific benefits this partnership offers to individual traders and investors. What are some of the key takeaways for someone who's listening to this and thinking, okay, I want to get in on this action?
Well, the most obvious benefit is the lowered barrier to entry.
Right.
You no longer need to be a coding wizard or have deep pockets to participate in the meme coin market. Four.Meme and Ave.ai provide you with the tools and insights you need to get started, regardless of your technical expertise or financial resources.
It's like they're taking the mystery and the intimidation out of crypto trading.
Exactly. And with the added transparency provided by Ave.ai, you can make more informed decisions, reducing the risk of falling victim to scams or pump-and-dump schemes.
So it's not just about making it easier to trade, it's about making it safer to trade. That's a huge win for everyone involved.
Absolutely. And then there's the potential for increased profitability. By having access to real-time data and insights, you can identify trends and opportunities that you might have otherwise missed.
It's like having a secret weapon in the meme coin market.
It's not quite a secret weapon,
Right.
but it's definitely a valuable tool. But even with all these benefits, it's important to remember that meme coins are still a highly volatile and speculative asset class.
So don't go quitting your day job just yet.
Yeah. Exactly. But if you're looking for a way to potentially diversify your portfolio and get in on the ground floor of a rapidly evolving market, then this partnership is definitely worth exploring.
This has been incredibly insightful. I'm starting to see the potential of this partnership to not just change the game for meme coins, but to really push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of finance.
Yeah.
But before we get too lost in the metaverse of possibilities, I think it's time to take a quick breather. When we come back, we'll delve even deeper into the real-world applications of these platforms and explore some of the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Stay tuned.
Great.
Welcome back. Before the break, we were getting pretty deep into like the nuts and bolts of Four.Meme and Ave.ai. And honestly, I'm even more intrigued than I was at the start.
Yeah, it is fascinating to see how these platforms are trying to change the perception of meme coins. You know,
Yeah.
it's not just about random internet trends anymore. It's about using technology to create a more level playing field.
Right. And you mentioned that VMC goes beyond just creating tokens. It's like a whole ecosystem for building and launching meme coin projects. Can you walk me through some of the specific tools they offer? Like what makes them stand out from other launchpads?
One thing that really impressed me was their built-in marketing dashboard.
Okay.
You know, it's not just about launching a token into the void. They actually provide tools to help projects reach their target audience.
Oh.
Think, you know, social media integrations, community engagement metrics, even templates for creating marketing materials.
That's smart. They're recognizing that a successful meme coin, it needs more than just hype. It needs a solid community and a coherent strategy.
Exactly. And they've also integrated a really interesting community voting system.
Okay.
Meme coin projects can use this feature to propose changes, gather feedback from their community, and even make decisions in a transparent and decentralized manner.
So it's bringing some of those DeFi principles like community governance into the meme coin world. I like that.
Yeah, and perhaps most importantly for new projects, Meme has a feature that streamlines the process of getting listed on decentralized exchanges. Getting your token listed on an exchange can be a major hurdle for new projects.
Yeah.
So this is a really valuable resource.
It sounds like they've really thought about the entire life cycle of a meme coin project.
Sure.
From creation to community building to exchange listing. They're not just like throwing people into the deep end and saying, good luck.
That's right. They're trying to create a more supportive and structured environment for meme coin innovation.
Okay, let's shift gears a bit and talk more about Ave.ai. You've already highlighted its ability to track smart money, which I find incredibly fascinating.
Right.
But there's got to be more to it than that. What other kinds of insights does it provide?
One area where Ave.ai really shines is sentiment analysis.
Okay.
It uses natural language processing to analyze social media chatter, news articles, and even forum discussions
Wow.
to gauge the overall sentiment surrounding a particular meme coin.
So it's not just about what people are doing, buying or selling, but also about what they're saying.
Exactly. Sentiment can be a powerful indicator of future price movements. If Ave.ai detects a sudden surge in positive sentiment around a meme coin,
Right.
it could signal an upcoming price rally.
Okay.
Conversely, a wave of negative sentiment could foreshadow a price drop.
That's really interesting. So it's like having a finger on the pulse of the meme coin community.
Yeah.
You can see what's trending, what people are excited about, and what they're worried about.
And because it integrates directly with all of this data is presented in a very clear and user-friendly way. You can see charts, graphs, and even receive personalized alerts based on your chosen metrics.
This is starting to sound like a pretty powerful toolkit for anyone looking to navigate the meme coin market.
Yeah.
But I'm curious, can you give me some concrete examples of how Ave.ai's insights can be used in practice? Like, how would a trader actually use this information to make better decisions?
Okay, let's go back to the example of don't ask why an elephant. Imagine you're a trader who's been following this coin since its launch on Four.Meme.
Right.
You've been using Ave.ai to track its performance, and you've noticed a steady increase in trading volume and positive social media sentiment over the past few weeks.
Okay, so the coin is starting to gain some traction. What's next?
Then you see that Ave.ai has flagged a series of large buy orders that it believes are coming from smart money players.
Okay.
This could be a signal that something big is about to happen.
So it's like those insiders are getting in on the ground floor before the the price really takes off.
Exactly. Armed with this information, you might decide to increase your position in Don't Ask Why an Elephant
Right.
before the price starts to rise.
So it's not just about reacting to price movements, it's about anticipating them. That's pretty powerful stuff.
And Ave.ai can also be used to manage risk. Let's say you're holding a meme coin, and Ave.ai detects a sudden drop in social media sentiment and a surge in sell orders from those smart money accounts.
Oh, sounds like it's time to hit the eject button.
It might be a good time to reassess your position and consider selling some or all of your holdings
Right.
before the price drops further.
So it's not a guaranteed crystal ball,
Right.
but it's definitely giving you more data points to make informed decisions.
Exactly. And the more data you have, the better equipped you are to navigate the volatility of the meme coin market.
This all makes a lot of sense,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm also aware that the crypto world is constantly evolving. What are some of the challenges that Four.Meme and Ave.ai might face in the future? Are there any potential, roadblocks or limitations to their approach?
One challenge they might face is keeping up with the pace of innovation in the crypto space. New technologies and trends are emerging all the time, and they'll need to be constantly adapting and evolving to stay ahead of the curve.
So it's not just about building a great platform, it's about constantly iterating and improving it.
Exactly. And then there's the challenge of scaling their platform.
Right.
If Four.Meme and Ave.ai become as popular as they hope to be, they'll need to make sure their infrastructure can handle the increased traffic and data processing demands.
I imagine that's a good problem to have, but it's still a problem nonetheless.
That's right. And of course, there's always the challenge of security.
Right.
Crypto platforms are prime targets for hackers, so they'll need to invest heavily in security measures to protect their users' funds and data.
Security is paramount in the crypto world. One hack can really damage a platform's reputation.
Absolutely. And then there's the regulatory landscape, which, as we discussed before, is still very much in flux.
It's like the Wild West out there, but
Yeah.
with regulators circling overhead.
Exactly. They'll need to navigate the evolving regulatory landscape carefully to ensure they're operating within the law.
These are all important considerations. It sounds like they have their work cut out for them. But despite these challenges, I'm still really excited about the potential of this partnership. It feels like they're doing something genuinely innovative, and I think it'll be fascinating to see how it all plays out in the long run.
I agree. It's an ambitious undertaking, but if they can overcome these challenges, they could really change the way we think about meme coins and the crypto market as a whole.
Okay, so we've talked about the tools, the insights, the challenges, but what about the bigger picture? How do you see this partnership fitting into the broader trends shaping the future of finance?
Well, one of the biggest trends in finance right now is the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi.
Right.
And I think Four.Meme and Ave.ai are playing an interesting role in bridging the gap between the meme coin world and the DeFi world.
So they're bringing some of those DeFi principles like transparency and accessibility into the meme coin space.
Exactly. And they're doing it in a way that's fun, engaging, and approachable. I think that's really important because for many people, the world of DeFi can feel very complex and intimidating.
It can be, for sure. So they're sort of like easing people into the world of DeFi, using the familiarity and appeal of meme coins as a gateway.
That's a great way to put it. And as the meme coin market matures and becomes more integrated with the broader DeFi ecosystem, I think we'll see even more innovation and creativity in the space.
It's exciting to think about the possibilities. But before we get too lost in the metaverse of speculation, let's take a closer look at some real-world examples of how this partnership is already impacting the meme coin market. I think our listeners would love to hear about some actual projects that are using these platforms and seeing success.
Absolutely. In addition to Don't Ask Why an Elephant, there are a number of other meme coin projects that are leveraging the power of Four. Meme and Ave.ai, one that comes to mind is Gate Web3 Wallet.
Gate Web3 Wallet. Tell me more about that one.
Now, Gate Web3 Wallet isn't solely a meme coin project. It's actually a multi-chain aggregation platform.
Right.
But they cleverly launched a meme coin on Four.Meme as a way to engage their community and generate buzz around their platform.
So they're using the meme coin as a marketing tool. That's pretty savvy.
It is, and it seems to be working. They've been able to tap into a whole new audience of meme coin enthusiasts and generate a lot of excitement around their project.
I'm guessing they're also using Ave.ai to track the performance of their meme coin and make sure it's aligned with their overall marketing goals.
Absolutely. They're using the platform to analyze trading volume, social media sentiment, and even identify key influencers who are talking about their projects.
It's like they've created a mini ecosystem within the meme coin world.
That's a great way to think about it, and I think we'll see more projects taking a similar approach in the future. Meme coins can be more than just speculative assets. They can be powerful tools for community building, marketing, and even fundraising.
This is really making me rethink the whole meme coin phenomenon. It's not just a passing fad, it's a force to be reckoned with.
I completely agree. And the partnership between Four.Meme and Ave.ai is at the forefront of this movement.
It's definitely a partnership we'll be watching closely. But for now, let's take a quick break and shift our focus to the future of meme coins. What trends are you most excited about, and what potential challenges do you see on the horizon? Stay tuned. Okay, and we're back. We've been on this crazy journey through meme coins and exploring this partnership between Four.Meme and Ave.ai and how they're like really changing things up.
Yeah, it has been a fascinating conversation. We've gone from no-code token creation to like smart money analysis and even like how meme coins are used as marketing tools.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like blown away by how much this space has evolved. It's not just about chasing the next viral sensation anymore. It feels like there's real strategy and innovation happening here.
Definitely, yeah.
But before we wrap things up, I kind of want to zoom out a bit and talk about the bigger picture. What does the emergence of platforms like Four.Meme and Ave.ai, like what does it tell us about the future of finance?
Oh, that's a great question, and I think the answer is actually pretty profound. We're seeing this shift in power dynamics. Within the financial world, the traditional gatekeepers, the big banks and institutions, they're facing a real challenge from these decentralized, community-driven platforms.
So it's like the old guard versus the new wave, and the new wave is riding the meme coin wave.
Yeah, exactly. And it's not just about memes, it's about accessibility and transparency.
Right.
Platforms like Me and Ave.ai are lowering those barriers to entry, giving anyone with an internet connection the tools to participate in the financial markets.
It's democratizing finance in a way we've never seen before.
Yeah.
And it's happening outside the traditional structures of banks and brokers.
Absolutely. And I think this trend is only going to accelerate in the coming years.
Right.
As more people become comfortable with blockchain technology and decentralized platforms, we'll see even more innovation and disruption in the financial space.
It's exciting and a little bit daunting at the same time. Are there any potential downsides to this shift? What are some of the challenges that we need to be aware of as this new financial landscape kind of takes shape?
Well, one of the biggest challenges is going to be regulation. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies.
Right.
And meme coins present a whole new set of complexities.
It's like the Wild West out there, and the sheriffs are still trying to figure out how to enforce the law.
Exactly. And then there's the issue of security.
Right.
As we've seen with some high-profile hacks in the past, decentralized platforms can be vulnerable to attacks. It's going to be crucial for platforms like Four.Meme and Ave.ai to prioritize security and build really robust systems to protect their users' funds.
Yeah, security is non-negotiable in the crypto world. One major breach could really erode trust in the entire ecosystem.
Absolutely. And then there's the challenge of education. As more people enter this space, it's going to be essential to provide them with the knowledge and resources they need to make informed decisions. We need to equip people with the tools to understand the risks and rewards of investing in meme coins and other crypto assets.
It's like we're all pioneers in this new frontier.
Right.
And we need a good map and compass to navigate it safely.
That's a great analogy. And I think platforms like Four.Meme and Ave.ai have a responsibility to play a role in that education process. They need to go beyond just providing the tools and also provide the guidance and support that users need to succeed.
It's a delicate balance, isn't it? Fostering innovation while also protecting users from potential risks.
It is. But I'm optimistic that we can find that balance. I believe that the future of finance is bright and that meme coins, despite their often silly nature, have the potential to play a significant role in shaping that future.
I'm with you on that. This whole deep dive has been a real eye-opener for me. I came in with a healthy dose of skepticism, but I'm leaving with a sense of excitement and possibility.
That's what we aim for. To leave you with more questions than answers, perhaps, but with a sense of wonder and a desire to explore this fascinating world further.
Well, you've definitely achieved that. And on that note, I think it's time to wrap up our deep dive into the world of meme coins, Four.Meme and Ave.ai. It's been an incredible journey. I want to thank you for being our expert guide.
It's been my pleasure. And to all of you listening out there, remember the future of finance is being written right now.
Right.
And you have the opportunity to be a part of it. Don't be afraid to dive in, explore, and see where this wild ride takes you.
Words to live by. And until next time, happy trading, and may your memes always be profitable.